I couldn't wait before I took it out the oven. I broke off a piece and it is good.
Stop using this when jerking and start using Grace because the sodium is 950 here and 360 here. Too salty. My salmon with these. And a trick is I cut a little pocket inside the fish so I can stuff some seasoning in there as well. And get the pan real hot with oil, put a thyme in there, some of the jerk seasoning in there, a little garlic, and then the salmon. You're just putting in the salmon really quick, like 30 seconds on each side because you're only cooking the outside, not the inside. Now you're gonna add some minced garlic, sweet peppers, and onions to your pan. Don't fully cook them down. You're gonna put them in here. And then we're gonna add it to the oven. In the same pan we cook the salmon and veggies in, we're gonna add some honey, low sodium soy sauce, and sweet chili sauce. Now we pour that amazing sauce over the salmon and add some pimento seed and put it in the oven. Okay, last minute, but here is our finished product. This jerk honey salmon, sweet hot chili jerk salmon, whatever we wanna call it.